Oh, this color safe. Okay, it's color safe, y'all. Let's find out. Hey y'all, welcome back to Segments with C Bree. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit subscribe, and let's hop right into this unboxing, y'all. So it is August 16th, and Curlbox just took $25 out of my account yesterday for next month's box. So let's see what's in this month's box. So guys, you're gonna be opening this box just at the same time I am. I just got home and it was like hanging out of my door, and I'm just super pumped to see what it is. And y'all know my face tell it all, so if it ain't right, my face will let you know. So traditional, open the box, it's in there. Okay, no extra products. Let's use the key to pop this box open. All right, here we go. All right, so it looks like it's a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Biotin Lengthen Retention System. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, so these came in there. So hey, it's a Palmer's takeover. I still didn't use those other Promise products that they sent us with like the natural fusions. Yep, so Palmer's takeover. We can get to the cart later. I'm trying to figure out if I'm happy or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products. 5 full-size products. This is what they look like here, and all 5 are part of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Cocoa Butter, and Biotin collection. So they're supposed to all be good with length retention. So let's focus on the shampoo and the conditioner first. So of course, all 5 products are color safe. All 5 bottles say recycle me, which is exciting. So the shampoo is supposed to gently moisturize and cleanse with vitamin E and antioxidants. No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes, or no silicones for none of these products. Whew, that was a lot, right? So the shampoo and the conditioner both are 350 mLs, or you can consider it 12 fluid ounces. So I did open them up to sniff them. Shampoo smells decent. The conditioner has like the smell of the stretch mark cream slash cocoa butter that you know come in the canister, with the hint of, you know, something in there. I don't know if it's a mint, it's a flower. We're gonna figure it out in a minute, okay? So then moving on to the next 3 products. Within my routine, after I do the shampoo and condition, I do like to go in with a leave-in, and this leave-in comes with a spray. So this is the lift retention, leave-in. This leave-in conditioner is a detanguler, heat protecting, and moisturizer. Of course, it's color safe. It comes in 250 mLs, or you can do 8.5 fluid ounces. And of course, I love the fact that it has a sprayer. You see that? Look at that. The distance. It definitely smells like cocoa butter, y'all. So I'm debating on if I want to do a wash day like right now. I know I need to wash it because in Detroit is our natural hair festival tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna get there in a minute. So then after I do my leave-in, I go in with my styler. So this is the length retention cream styler. Although I do prefer a gel, this is the cream styler. This is the creamy formula for coil definition. This comes in 200 mLs or 7 fluid ounces. Let's see the color of it and the consistency. Here we go. So real creamy, real thin, but let's see. Yeah, it's creamy. It has it's a little thicker than. You can see how like it's running all over my fingers. Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's thinner. I want to say it's like conditioner, it feels like. And then last but not least, we have a product with a nozzle. Y'all know I love my nozzles as well. This is the Shine Glaze Serum. This is supposed to lock, moisturize, and add a shiny finish to dry hair. I definitely have dry hair, and the highlight of this product is that it's silicone free. So this comes in 100 milliliters or 3.4 fluid ounces. So I don't know how I feel about these products yet. I've never tried a Palmer's hair product yet. Did I get tongue tied? Yes, just ignore it. Yeah, so I don't know if I want to use these right now or if I want to use last month's box, because that's literally still in a box and I have so many hair products open. But comment down below if you use any of these, if you're excited to use them, if you use cocoa butter in your natural routine, if you know, whatever you do. You know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shot and, you know, post the review video. I don't know if I'm gonna come all the way, you know. Anyway, y'all, this is a new Commerce collection. Let's go over the paperwork now. You can't never neglect this beautiful model. You know, they always come looking nice. Okay, so this is the Palmer's Takeover. Did y'all know that this was gonna be a Palmer's Takeover? Because based off this, I know. So this is just saying soft, smooth shimmer. That's the main points that they want you to take from the pamphlet. It's a biotin conditioner, cocoa butter biotin leave-in. You know, I think this is a nice, because I don't take hair and nail peels. So yeah. So this, it comes with the coupon that says save $1 on any Palmer's cocoa butter formula hair product except 2-step hair mask. So apparently there's a hair mask that comes in, but if y'all need this coupon code, screenshot, do whatever y'all need to do, because I'm not gonna purchase anything. So this is just going breakdown of all of the products in the collection. So only one that we didn't receive is the styling nectar and the 2-step mask. So we pretty much got a complete collection, y'all. We have the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, the serum, and the cream styler. We're just missing the, I'm gonna assume the nectar is more of a gel type, so that might be something I might be interested in buying. So y'all might not can have my coupon. And then a 2-step mask. But y'all, I love when we do get whole lines, so this is pretty exciting. But see y'all, make sure y'all hit subscribe and follow my business page, House of Charm.